I'll be showing you on how to use the Whataburger app. Let's hop straight into the video. First, download the app. You'll want to go ahead and enable location services. Trust me, this will make ordering easier. Hit continue, then hit next. Now we're at the home screen. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up. Here we have 5 different icons: order, rewards, home, location, and more. Then there's an advertisement of one of their signature sandwiches, the Buffalo Ranch Chicken Strip, back for a limited time. Now let's create an account. A little incentive that Whataburger is giving you to create an account is a free Whataburger. Hit create an account. Add in your first name, last name, phone number, zip code, and enter in your email. Then create a password. Once you've read the terms and conditions, select the box and then hit agree. Now that we've created our account, it's a completely different home screen. We all know rewards are. You know, those things that you get when you spend X amount of dollars. Well, with Whataburger, they have merch you can get as well. For either 2,000 points or 4,000 points. With 200 to 399 points, you can get a chocolate chip cookie, apple slices, and so much more. Now let's start your order. When you hit order, it'll ask you if you would like to order online or for pickup, or order online for delivery. Once you select your option, you'll be asked to select the location of where you would like your order to be placed. Now we finally made it to the menu. Right off the bat, I always like to see what offers I have, and then start my order from there. Now because we did create an account, we got a free Whataburger as promised. On the menu, you can choose from their burgers to all-time favorites and chicken. Then, of course, their breakfast. That's available from 11 p.m. to 11 a.m. Something cool that the Whataburger app does is that it shows within the category how many items are in that specific category. I love apple pies, so I'm definitely gonna have to get one of those. They're priced at $1.79. So after every item that you add, it'll show you the price plus tax. Now, back to the order. I'm definitely gonna go with the burger. They have a double meat and a triple meat. They also have jalapeno and cheese and an avocado burger. To be honest, the triple meat looks like the best option. And I'll select the Whata meal. That comes with a medium fry and a medium drink. Now if you want to add or take anything off your order, you can do so here. If everything looks good, hit continue. And again, tons of options here. You of course have your basic fountain drinks. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see some of their signature shakes. So all in all, we got an apple pie and then the triple meat Whataburger meal, which would bring our order to a total of $19. Hit checkout. And then set your pickup method. And select your pickup time. And add in your payment method. And that's how to order on the Whataburger app. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.